how to see Twitter comments. So first is you have to go to your Twitter application here, and it will lead you directly to your homepage. Now, let's say you want to choose a post, or you have seen a post or a tweet and you want to see the comments there. Then make sure that, for example, this post by Ben and Ben, and then make sure that on the comment icon there are actually numbers, meaning there are 56 comments in there or in that tweet. So see directly. Or the common mistakes is we tap on the comment section here and it will actually tweet your reply or with a comment or your comment directly. Now if you just want to read through the comments there, then all you have to do is just to tap on tweet itself, and then on the bottom part you will see all the comments there. So basically that is how you see Twitter comments. If it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Twitter application, and to do that, you have to go to your Play Store here and just type in Twitter, and then if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now if it's updated, you can now go back and do the same process again on how to see Twitter comments. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.